Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the online walk-in interview for only one subject from the Central University, and here the pay is 25,000 rupees per month, and the second notification is a PhD admission notification from the NIT. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And while coming to the job notification, it is a Department of Biotechnology School of Life Sciences from Mizoram University. So the notification for walk-in interview virtual mode. Virtual mode is nothing but I think it's online mode for engagement of guest faculty in the Department of Biotechnology. And applications from eligible candidates are invited for walk-in. Conducted on 25th November 2020 from 11 a.m. Interested candidates should submit applications and relevant documents as proof of qualifications, research experience and publications as a soft copy in a single zipped file by mail to this one on or before November 23rd, 2020. Candidates already engaged in services just like the permanent or temporary or research projects or other research scholarship programs should provide no objection certificates from the concerned authorities along with the applications. And eligibility as per the UGC regulations and honorarium 1000 rupees per lecture subject to maximum 25,000 rupees per month, and the period of engagement up to 28 February 2021. The details of walk-in interview virtual mode will be shared to the applicants by the mail on 24th November 2020. So these are the job details, and please share this information to the biotechnology candidates. Fine. And the second one is a PhD admission program from the NIT. So full-time programs January 2021 from the National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. And coming to the departments here, the candidates non-sponsored with the teaching assistantship is provided, and the departments are engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, communication, computer science, chemical, metallurgical and materials, mining, applied mechanics, VLS and nanotechnology, architecture and planning, in applied sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, social sciences and humanities. And here the programs offered by the institute: VNIT MTech students with the teaching assistantship, SRF JRF research staff of R&D projects sponsored to VNIT, sponsored candidates and sponsored candidates from 100% centrally funded research laboratories. Okay, so this whole thing. And coming to the essential requirement for engineering post-graduation, qualified exam in the past GATE, and architecture and planning, postgraduate degree in architecture and planning, GATE or NET, and applied sciences, GATE or NET. So these are the main details, guys. And coming to the eligibility criteria, you can check down as per the percentages wise also. So for applied mechanics and for chemical, but here the GATE or NET, anything is mandatory based upon the mentioned thing. And coming to the CGPA and all these things, you may check down. Here the CGPA is mentioning the 6.75 for almost all the departments. So you can check down. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video for your reference purpose. Okay, so admission procedure: candidates has to pay the 500 rupees online through the State Bank Collect. Okay, and all the candidates will be required to appear for the written test, which will be conducted in the respective departments, and the written exam 40%, GATE or NET score 40%, and the interview 20%. And the duration of program: minimum duration is 3 years, maximum duration is 6 years, and the payment of fee and deposit was also given here. And syllabus for the written test is also given here, so you may check down for all the different departments. The syllabus is mentioned. Okay. And while coming to the important dates, accepting application 9th November, last date of receiving of application 23rd November, display of list of eligible candidates 1st December. Okay, so please check this, guys, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, So both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science. So both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best guys. Thank you very much.